Hey guys, how you doing? It's Andy Elliott. Look, I'm going to talk to you about one word real fast, and that word is believability. Write that word down, believability. Listen, I want you to understand this, that people that are great in this business, I mean the very, very, very best, you know what they have? They are so sold that they are selling. Let me explain that again. They're so sold that they're selling. You see, a lot of the problem is, if you're not selling, you're not sold. And what could you not be sold on? Maybe you're not sold on the company, all right? Maybe you're not sold on the service. Maybe you're not sold on yourself. Maybe you're not sold on selling in general. Whatever it is, if you're not completely 100% in, 100% in, I promise you, the believability that your customers see in your face is no bueno. So I'm going to share this with you. You need to be so in, and when I say so in, I mean so in that you're unreasonable. Now think about this. What does unreasonable mean? It's pretty simple. You won't allow the others to think for you. You know why? Because you were so focused and you were so sold that when you go to work every day, that the next customer you talk to, you're going to sell. What it is that you sell at your store, you're going to sell it. And even if somebody's $500 less down the road, you don't care. You'll make that up in service. You'll sell them something. It doesn't matter. You're so ate up and so sold that that's not even an issue. So I want you to think about this. Being unreasonable, okay? So sold, no one else can compete. 100% in. And in order to become great, you have to make this sell daily on yourself. I see so many people that they sell and they sell and they sell, and then all of a sudden they stop selling, and then they're like, man, it could be traffic, it could be marketplace, it could be this. Maybe it's you became unsold. And when you become unsold, guess what? You stop selling. So next time, before you blame it on the competition across the street, you blame it on the traffic, do me a favor, look at yourself. Now I want you to ask yourself, are you so in? You're so in that you won't allow the think of others to persuade you. If you're that in, you're going to sell. If you're that in, you're going to crush it. Guys, I just want you to think about this quick video right now. If you're not selling, you're not sold. And if you're not sold, that means you're not selling. You need to look at yourself in the mirror and realize, are you sold on where you work and what you're doing? And if that's right,